Hey, what's up, guys? Just wanted to make this quick little video on a little attachment I did for my wheelchair. Basically, you see me here just picking up some dog poop in my backyard, and it's just way easier with this little bucket setup that I did. Basically, it's just some flat bar and a bucket attached to it. The old way I was doing it before was just kind of just bending over and picking up dog poop in a bag, and it's just kind of uncomfortable just leaning over for that long period of time. End up giving myself a headache and stuff. So I decided to just make it like this. Just came out really easy with the little pooper scooper. Just throw it in there and went about my business. So I'll show you guys exactly how I make it. It's really, really easy. Anybody can do this. And I believe it would just make things easier for you guys if you have to do this yourself. Alright, so basically this is how I made it. I just put some bolts on a flat bar and screwed the bucket to it and bolted this to my chair. This could probably easily be made with some wood, something similar to this size. I'm thinking about actually bolting it this way. That way it's easier for me to get off this thing and put it on here when I need to use it. Because kind of taking these off and putting them back on is kind of a pain in the ass. But other than that, Pooper Scooper wheelchair attachment 3000 works pretty good. So just an idea if anybody has to do this at their own house, pick up dog poop, it's something adults have to do and it's kind of annoying, but gotta do it. So I found a more comfortable way for me. Just Pooper Scooper, throw it in here, bag it up, throw it out. So worked out perfect.